SPY wants to go nighty-night, but be careful. That is a bounce zone, right? Don't you dare. Listen to me. Calls on support and puts on resistance. We're coming down to support. So you need to wait. If you're not in that master scalpers only, you need to wait for a break and hold if you're going to do it. Because a lot of times what you get burned up on, right? It's going to dance right here and it's going to pop. It's going to rip your face off. And then you're going to get out for a loss. And then it's going to make new low a day. And you'll be like, damn it. Yes, just wait. Okay. Be patient. This is such a dangerous spot, right? I know it wants to pull. I know the overall market's to the downside. I know we got FOMO. I know we've seen a lot of bloody candles, right? But you must be patient. Critical area. It's 10 o'clock too. Now notice on SPY, I want you guys to see what that did. Did you see how that faked everybody out? And that is not a break and hold, right?
Nope.
Nope. Be careful over there. That thing's the Widowmaker.
It's too dangerous.
Look at, there it goes. There it is to the upside. Look at that. Tell me that wouldn't have been a face ripper.
Oh, yeah.
Told you, you better be careful. You better be patient. You need to wait for the setup. Don't you dare get FOMO. Don't get greedy. I don't care what it looks like. You are sitting on a bounce level. Yes?
Yep.
Yeah.
You got to collect at critical levels. We're not sure whether it's going to break and hold or reverse. So you got to shave.
That's correct. And it's calls on support and puts on resistance. And resistance is support, right?
Yep.
Just got to follow the rules. Again, don't you dare let that FOMO get in your way. Now, on SPY, you must be warned if you're in calls because you're going against the grain. They need to be short. You need to have extremely tight stops, and you need to take your money, right? Because it does want to go lights out. It is to the downside. So even though you made money on the quick bounce, you must understand right now you are going against the grain and it is dangerous, right? So we go in smaller position size. We have a tighter stop until it allows, right, to get some room. And at any moment, you must be careful of a knife drop because, again, you are going against the grain. Make sense, everybody? Please tell me you're listening to the sound of my voice. Look at SPY. This is what I was talking about, right? This is exactly what I was talking about. Just because it was a bounce zone doesn't mean it's going to go back to make new high a day. No, you're going against the grain. And I said you better watch your butts. You better have a tight stop. Watch for a knife drop because this wants to go to the downside. Why? Because the overall is to the downside. Good job.